dolphins, we welcome you to the Teachers' Day Assembly.
Teachers' Day is a special occasion to thank our teachers for guiding us, inspiring us, and helping us grow. It is celebrated on 5th September in honor of Dr. Radha Krishnan, a great teacher and a former president. We believe teachers are the most important people of our lives.
After all, without teachers, who would light our way?
But teachers aren't only found in classrooms. Our families like parents, grandparents, and even our older siblings are our very first teachers. They teach us to speak, to share, to be kind even before we step into school.
That's why today we thank all our teachers at home and at school for helping us become who we are. You deserve our respect and a big thank you.
Before we share what we think about our teachers, let us rise and sing the KC anthem.
We've spoken about why all teachers are special, but we also wanted to find out what our classmates think about our teachers in school. So we turned into little mathematicians collecting data from all the primary classes C to SS. Now we are so excited to share what we discovered.
Look at this pictogram. This pictogram shows how we feel when teachers encourage us. The most popular feelings were confidence and motivation. Isn't it amazing? Here's a bar chart. This bar chart shows what helps us learn the best. The most popular things were hands-on activities and team projects. It looks like we love collaborating and doing.
This is a pictogram. This pictogram shows all about what makes our KC teacher so special. The top choices were kind and caring, which makes learning fun. That's why we love coming to class every day.
Here's a bar chart. This bar chart shows what we like most about school with our teachers. The top choice was sports and games. School feels exciting when every day brings something new to discover.
And here's the best part. Our survey shows that every single teacher has something special we admire. You guide us, you inspire us, and you may learn a wonderful adventure. From all of us, happy Teachers' Day.
We've seen the result, and our teachers are truly inspiring.
Now it's time to celebrate them through music and movement.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it right now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you, thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it right now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Come on. Yeah, I owe you thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you. For the joy that you give to me, for the way that you made me free, for my friends and my family, I just wanna say, for loving me from the start, every beat of my heart, for everything you are. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you, thank you. Yeah, I owe you thank you. I just wanna say.
Wow, what a fantastic performance. While we humans are blessed with teachers, we wondered, what about animals in nature? In our social science topic on biomes, we learned that even in the harsh tundra, animals have their own way of teaching and learning. Let's meet some of the amazing animal teachers. Welcome to the tundra. It's cold, windy, and snowy here. But did you know even here animals have to learn important skills? Let's see what our tundra friends can teach us.
I am the Arctic Fox. I teach my babies how to dig tunnels in the snow. This is a classroom. The snow.
I am the snowy owl. I teach my chicks to fly and catch food. It is not easy in cold, but practice makes perfect.
I am the caribou. I teach my young ones how to travel far to find food. We walk together for miles. That's our lesson on teamwork.
I am the polar bear. I teach my cubs to swim in icy water and hunt for fish. We learn by watching and doing.
See, even in the Tundra, animals are teachers. Just like humans, they pass on important knowledge to their next generation. Learning happens everywhere, even in the snow. Thank you. Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to talk about the Freedom Tree. Do you remember it? Remember there was a tree outside the cafeteria? A huge tree? That is the Freedom Tree.
Do you know who made the tree? Our art teachers. Devahar sir and Kalayanti, please stand up.
Do you know how did they make the tree? First, they made the tree by using recycled cardboard.
Then they made paper leaves in green and yellow. Next, every student wrote what freedom means to them on the leaves.
Finally, all the leaves were attached to the tree, showing our unity and shared ideas of freedom.
Do you want us to read some of the leaves? One student wrote that freedom is an instrument that dispels restrictions and circumstances.
Another student wrote, to me, freedom means the ability to express myself and make my own decisions and choices. Independence drives my belief that freedom leads to success.
Another student wrote, freedom means the ability to choose the way you live your life.
Let us now move on to the Casey Spotlight. First, we have Alia Manikandan of LL. Please come on stage.
Adya, we have a question for you. What inspired you to take up swimming and how long have you been practicing?
I've been practicing for one year, and what inspired me was that swimming is a life skill and it helps your body become stronger.
Thank you, Adya. Swaranjali from GG, please come on stage. She has won 2 gold medals for the Rubik's Cube online competition.
How did you start gaining interest in solving Rubik's Cube?
I started gaining interest from my friend Param. He started solving the Rubik's Cube in class and I got inspired and I started learning and started solving.
Swaranjali, we have a challenge for you. Are you ready? You will have to solve this jumbled Rubik's Cube in 1 minute. Okay. Can you do it?
Yes.
Shalini auntie will be the timekeeper. Over to Shalini auntie. Come on everyone, let's cheers for Swaranjali. Keep clapping. Congratulations, Swaranjali.
Thank you, Swaranjali, so much for taking time to share your incredible achievements with us today. Let's all clap for them loudly once more time.
Thank you for those updates. Now I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
things up, we want to take a moment to thank the wonderful people who made this event possible. We would like to thank Sam Anna, Shrikant Anna, Jagan Anna, Madhi Anna, facilities team. For the arrangements today, for the recording, Selvan Anna, for the editing of the recording and uploading it on the school website, Swayam Aunty. For the music today, Paul sir, Jonathan sir, Hari sir, Ajitesh, Alankrita and Hriday. For helping us with the background and mask for our squid, Divaka sir, Kalayanti. For the dance today, we thank Vimal sir and Tasi auntie.
We all hope that you all enjoyed our Dynamic Dolphins Teachers Day Assembly.
Thank you all the teachers for guiding us every day.
And thank you everyone for joining us this morning. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, parents, for joining us today morning.